Welcome guys to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely summer salad. So here I have some lovely lettuce, some Lulu Rossa. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pick some of it, and this is for my wife to take to work. She's going to work now in the evening, so I'm just going to pick some of this lovely salad. So that's probably enough for her. What I'm going to do, I'm just giving it a bit of wash. Make sure you wash them off. So with this now, I'm just going to put them to drain a bit. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to set this aside, let them drain off. I'm going to add a bit of carrot to this. I probably don't use all of this. So that should be enough. I'm going to add some bell pepper to it. Well, that's what you like in our salad. So I'm going to julienne this, but you can make it the way you want to make it. So it's going to be a very simple salad. Now with the carrot, let me try this one, see if it's working properly. It's meant to give it some line, like fine julienne line. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. So that should be enough at the moment. If you notice, I'm not putting any green in it, but I'll see what happened. I'm gonna use have a bit of onion here. Just gonna take the side bits off. With this also, I'm gonna julienne it. Don't think I need much onion in it, but if it need more, we see how it goes. So that's all my garnish. I'm gonna add some. I probably can get a bit of yellow pepper in this, but I'm gonna use about half of yellow pepper in this, just for color. I'll be adding some cherry tomato or plum tomato in this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and I'll be cutting these in about half, but that's up to you. You can leave them whole if you want. So I'm just going to just cut them how you want to cut them. You can slice them. If you want, you can go across like this. You know, just make it yours. What we're going to do now, I'm going to get a bowl. So the bowl is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add our lettuce in. And we're going to put some of the garnish we cut in this.